Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best rolling kitchen carts that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Origami Foldable Kitchen Island Cart. Let's face it, most of us do not have the luxury of plenty of counter space in our kitchen. However, you can say goodbye to the hassle of storing your kitchen accessories when you purchase this kitchen cart. This unit comes with plenty of storage that helps you to hold your kitchen gadgets, ingredients, as well as accessories, allowing you to prepare your meals effortlessly. Thanks to the foldable design, you can easily tuck it away when you do not need it and take it out when you are having a party or Thanksgiving together with your family. Besides being constructed with food-grade materials, the unit also retains a sturdy and durable construction that will last for many years to come. At number 4, Whitmor Supreme Microwave Cart. For more than 70 years, the Whitmore brand has been offering offices and homes with simple yet versatile organization systems. Driven by the urge to make their clients' life easy, this kitchen cart comes with a versatile design that you will love. The model comes with locking wheels, making it easy to move from one place to the other. It also comes with accessory hooks and pull-out shelves, making it easy to store your accessories while keeping them easily accessible. For enhanced durability, this unit comes with a steel frame that ensures not only durability but also stability. The top is not only made from a hardy wood but also natural hardwood that can be used for food preparation. At number 3, Winsome Wood Drop Leaf Kitchen Cart. Designed for use with both large and small kitchens, this model comes with its sides having leaves, which can be rolled to either side, for size reduction. The cart is made using hardwood materials, which ensures durability while the neutral color finish ensures that it retains its natural look. The cart comes with ample of storage, which includes 2 cabinets, open shelves on the sides, as well as a top shelf for storing smaller utensils. While this model requires some assembly, it comes with all the tools required as well as simple steps to follow to put it together. This allows you to put it together easily as it arrives. Besides, you will love its superior design, giving your home a unique and modern look. At number 2, Home Styles 4512-95 Liberty Kitchen Cart. The Home Styles 4512-95 kitchen cart is built to enhance the look of your kitchen while giving you the convenience of extra storage. Having been made using high-grade hardwood, featuring a white finish, this model guarantees you with a performance you can depend on for many years to come. When it comes to storage, this model comes with 3 storage drawers, a cabinet door, and a spice rack. This kitchen cart does not also disappoint when it comes to durability. Besides the hardwood top, the unit also comes with a durable locking caster and brushed nickel drawers. The model also comes with a contemporary design, giving your home a unique look. Finally at number 1, FirsTime & Co. White Aurora Farmhouse Kitchen Cart. Nothing says sophistication and practicality like a great kitchen cart to serve and prep meals with, and the one you choose to place in your home should reflect your personality and style. We hear you. Entertain in style at your next gathering with our FirsTime & Co. White Aurora Farmhouse Kitchen Cart. This rustic brown and white-wheeled cart is graced with a wood top and shelf, a rack that can hold up to 10 wine bottles or store cookware, 2 towel bars, and 2 drawers for all the essentials. Additionally, featuring metal accents for farmhouse flair, this versatile furniture piece can double as a kitchen island, bar cart, or dining buffet to make it both sensible and luxurious. Finding the right kitchen cart to suit your style has never been easier thanks to our wide range of FirsTime & Co. home living products. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.